AI Forums, the state of AI in education, is essential research for educators on how AI is transforming education ecosystems across the world. Subscribe to AI Forum to learn more.
Welcome to AI Forum's weekly report, where we share AI news and insights curated for students, practitioners, executives, and entrepreneurs. In AI News this week, we cover popular AI training resources and a roundup of the latest AI funding deals. AI News this week is sponsored by Cayman Enterprise City, offering world-class corporate licensing and working environments. Cayman Enterprise City has already incorporated 20 firms utilising the latest AI and is rolling out the red carpet for dynamic AI companies that want to operate from a premium jurisdiction. Visit their website to learn more. Artificial intelligence is projected to be a $15 trillion industry by the end of the decade, which is 30 times more than forecasted for 2023. For Gen Z and Gen A, the opportunity to participate will present itself increasingly via high school and higher education. For members of the current workforce, retraining may be worthwhile to future-proof employment and augment other skills. The following resources are available online, which after the pandemic has become the go-to channel for professional development. Coursera collaborates with over 275 universities and companies. For AI, there are 1,652 courses available, but here are a few that come highly recommended. For those starting out on their AI journey, machine learning specialization is designed by Andrew Ng and offered by Deep Learning and Stanford. From the section on background knowledge, learners should understand basic coding and high school level math. Any additional math concepts will be explained along the way. For intermediate studies, IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate takes 9 months to complete and offers a professional qualification as an AI engineer. For advanced studies, Google's Advanced Machine Learning on Google Cloud offers experienced practitioners the chance to upgrade their skills using advanced tooling such as TensorFlow. Other resources include edX, offering introductory courses from Columbia on machine learning for executives, and Udemy, with advanced courses designed by Lazy Programmer Inc., with their complete guide to reinforcement learning. With so many free and low-cost courses, there's never been a better time to reskill and participate in AI's fast-growth labour market. This week's financings have succumbed to global macroeconomic headwinds, although US Thanksgiving may have also been a factor. The following deals are therefore notable for closing during a tough week. Care.ai, based in Orlando, Florida, USA, offers an AI-powered ambient monitoring platform with real-time behaviour data for use cases such as virtual nursing, virtual sitting, and ambient monitoring. The company raised $27 million from San Francisco, California, USA-based investment firm Crescent Cove Advisors. Visionary empowers cameras to achieve the next generation of image quality. Their denoiser and software-based image signal processor leverage AI on the edge. Based in Tel Aviv, Israel, the firm raised an undisclosed amount of venture funding from National Grid partners. Abrism, based in Cambridge, United Kingdom, raised $11.5 million in Series A finance. The firm has developed an AI-based digital learning platform. From Shane Galway, head of Guinness Ventures, Abrism's adaptive learning technology not only cuts training times for large enterprises, but ensures better learning outcomes. The return on investment for enterprises who use their technology is startling and explains the take-up of Abrism by household names here in Europe and the USA. V7 raised $33 million in Series A finance to fund the growth of their automated data labeling company. The firm is based in London, United Kingdom, and from Pierre Socher, partner at Amadeus Capital Partners. Our thesis for V7 is that the breadth of applications and the speed at which new products are expected to be launched in the market call for a centralised platform that connects AI models, code and humans in a looped ecosystem. Turbine is based in Budapest, Hungary, offering what they claim to be the world's first cell simulation platform augmented by machine learning. Raising $28 million in Series A, the firm will continue to invest in its simulated cell technology as it works with some of the largest pharmaceutical companies in fields such as cancer biology and drug development. That's all for this week. If you want to publish your news and press releases, email our news desk by close of business Thursday each week on newsdesk@ai-forum.com. And to stay informed, visit our website, ai-forum.com, and click to subscribe. Thanks for watching.